Hello everyone and welcome back. I love to bring small or big changes to my house, especially when festivities hit the season. And while I was constantly ignoring my living room corner, it kept calling me back every time I watched my television. This living room corner had caught my eye for quite a long time, and I had also bought some material to decorate it. However, I never really gave it a creative thought. But this time, I finally took the leap of faith and motivated myself to give this corner a complete makeover. I had some decorative elements hanging earlier, but it was not making this corner stand out. So I started by taking some inspiration from Pinterest. What I basically wanted was a quick, easy, and economical upgrade for my living room, along with improving some functional efficiencies. First idea of the block was to give this white living corner some pop of color. So I defined the area where I will be color blocking and painting the wall of this corner. I then started by masking the boundaries of the marked area. Being curved in shape, masking the boundaries of the defined area was challenging, unlike the square areas of my entryway. But I managed to surround the tape very close to the outline part by cutting it into small pieces. Next target was to tackle the functional issue. Since my TV unit is next to this corner, a lot of wire management was needed to bunch up and simplify wires for the home theater. I used this Velcro tape to collect the cable of the extension cord nicely. Then, I also used these cable nails to neatly secure all those home theater wire together on the wall. And who says masking tape have only a limited role? Masking tape, I feel, is a must-have renter-friendly item in the house. This little transformation itself was so satisfying. Now was the time to paint. When I said pop of color, I really mean it. I chose gold paint, which was also going with the current living room color theme. Thankfully, the wall was smooth and needed no extra scrubbing, so I just jumped into painting this living room corner. Earlier, I thought of adding some combing texture, but the smooth golden metallic finish of this color was impressive in itself, so I dropped the texture idea, and that was the wrap of the day. So the paint came out fantastic. The color was beautifully complementing the other shades of the room. So it was time to take the masking tape off. With the metallic paint and the curves, removing the tape was a little tricky. But once done, I was impressed with my color selection. Now came the fun part, that was decorating this corner. I have these two pretty looking hangers. I'll use the first one to hang a basket for a DIY hanging lamp. And in the other one, I'll hang this antique bell chimes. For the adjacent wall, I wanted to do a very minimal DIY decor to create some boho vibe in the corner. I used this wooden saucer whose mug was broken. So I attached a round mirror to make a small wall decor by simply sticking it with the help of a transparent double-sided tape. This tape has a very strong adhesive and is perfect to stick lightweight elements on the wall. I also added this basket to complete the boho look. My idea of decor always includes plants. On the floor, I'll place few plant stands to bring in plants of different shapes and sizes for added depth. I'll also bring some variety with plants to add some heights and colors to make the corner nice and cozy. For the hanging DIY lamp, I use these pretty fairy lights which can be attached to a power bank to light up any corner of the house. I was really happy with this trick because there are some corners in the house which has no power supply. I'll place these lights in the hanging basket and cover it with some artificial rose petals. And now for the final reveal of how it all came together. Here are some before and after for you to see how small changes made a big difference to this living room corner. I was really impressed to see how simple and inexpensive decor can also enhance the overall beauty of the house. All it takes is some inspiration and the will to bring the change. This pop of color has brought a nice change in my living room and I just can't take my eyes off this corner now. Well, watching TV will still be distracting, but in a pleasing way this time. I hope you enjoyed watching this little living room transformation and decor. If you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and sharing your views in the comments below. Do subscribe to the channel for more such simple home and lifestyle videos and join me on Instagram. And I will see you in my next one. Until next time, stay tuned.